Unlocking the Benefits of an Offer in Compromise. I'm a CPA and have written a book for Thomson Reuters. I'm an expert level writer, researcher, and negotiator. I handle clients throughout the United States in reference to IRS representation. Navigating the complexities of tax obligations can be daunting. An Offer in Compromise is a program offered by the IRS that provides a potential lifeline. Essentially, it allows you to settle your tax debts for less than the full amount owed. The IRS typically considers an OIC when it believes that the amount offered is the most it can expect to collect within a reasonable period. The program can be particularly beneficial for taxpayers who are facing insurmountable debts and need a fresh start. However, it's crucial to understand that not every taxpayer qualifies for an offer in compromise. Let's look at key benefits of an offer in compromise. 1. The primary advantage. An OIC allows the taxpayer to resolve their liability for less than the total assessed tax, penalties, and interest if one of the statutory bases is met. 1. Doubt as to collectability. That's the most common. 2. Doubt as to liability. If the IRS determines a taxpayer's reasonable collection potential, which is a complex financial algorithm, is less than the balance due, it will accept a reduced amount. Point 2. An OIC stops active IRS collection while pending. Once the OIC is properly submitted, levies must stop, wage garnishments are suspended. The IRS generally halts enforced collection activity. This provides immediate breathing room. Next, you have a fixed, predictable resolution. Unlike installment agreements that can last 10 plus years, an OIC has a defined payoff amount, and it ends the case once paid and accepted. It eliminates all future uncertainty. Next, it eliminates penalties and interest going forward. After acceptance and payment, all remaining penalties and interest are resolved into the balance. The IRS cannot later revive the forgiven balance. Next, an OIC is often the cleanest exit from IRS debt. It is particularly effective for asset-light taxpayers. OICs are strongest when the taxpayer has little or no equity in assets, limited future earning capacity, fixed income, or significant hardship factors. These cases often produce very low settlement numbers. Keep in mind that doubt as to liability OIC can eliminate the debt entirely. Here, the IRS agrees that the tax was incorrectly assessed or the taxpayer does not legally owe the amount. This is almost like winning a tax court case, but it's administrative and without risk. There is psychological and business relief. You end IRS exposure. It improves your credit prospects over time, removes professional stress, and allows business owners to operate without fear of seizure or levies. To qualify for an offer in compromise, you must meet specific eligibility criteria set by the IRS. Firstly, you must demonstrate you are unable to pay the full tax liability through other means. The IRS will thoroughly assess your financial situation, including your income, expenses, asset equity, and future earning potential. Accordingly, you must be current with all of your tax filings and payments. This means you should have filed all required tax returns and made any estimated payments for the current year. Being compliant is an obligation and a prerequisite. And you have to remain compliant, of course, afterwards. Submitting an offer in compromise involves a structured process that requires detailed preparation and documentation. It involves assessing your financial situation, your income, your expenses, asset details. You need to determine your offer amount. This is the maximum amount you can afford to pay over a reasonable period. This offer must reflect your genuine ability to pay. Once your offer is submitted along with the necessary documentation, the IRS will review it. The process can take several months. During this time, you must remain compliant. Patience and attention to detail during this stage are vital. Preparing your financial information for an offer in compromise is a critical step that requires precision and thoroughness. Our expertise can be invaluable in navigating the complexities of the OIC process and improving your chances of success. Check out our website, Tax Options LLC, and send us an email today.